Move back. Use the test tube. What do you want to use this on? The micro slide. You empty the compound from the test tube onto this slide. Use the other test tube. What do you want to use this on? The other micro slide. You empty the compound from the test tube onto the slide. Use the SAMP slide. What do you want to use this on? The microscope. You take a look at the compound in the microscope. You quickly realize what you're looking at is what's served in the mess. Gross. Use this sample slide. What do you want to use this on? The microscope. You take a look at the compound in the microscope. You quickly realize that what you're looking at is what's served in the mess. Gross. Move out. Move back. Move back. Move back. Move back. Move back. Use empty tube. What do you want to use this on? The slime. You carefully scoop up a sample of the slime into the test tube. Use the tube slime. What do you want to use this on? Micro slide. You place a small amount of the slime onto the microscope slide. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Use the slime slide. What do you want to use this on? The microscope. You analyze the slime sample with the microscope. You can identify a few traits in the cellular makeup. You conclude that a specific chemical mixture will disrupt the cells. A mixture of 2 parts Chem A, 1 part Chem B, and 2 parts Chem C, all mixed into H2O, should do the trick. Move back. Move back. Move back. Move forward. Move down the ladder. Open the hatch. Use Chem A. What do you want to use this on? The hatch. You drop a sample of the chem into the nutrient injector. Use the other Chem A. What do you want to use this on? The hatch. You drop a sample of the chem into the nutrient injector. Use Chem B. What do you want to use this on? The hatch. You drop a sample of the chem into the nutrient injector. Use Chem C. What do you want to use this on? The hatch. You drop a sample of the chem into the nutrient injector. Use... Move up the ladder. Move back. Move back. Move this way. Use the keypad. 618. Open the door. Enter the restricted door. Examine the door. The door is locked. The nearby keycard scanner controls the lock. Examine the scanner. This keycard scanner is labeled Alpha Access Only. Use keycard A. What do you want to use this on? The scanner. You hold the keycard to the scanner and wait for the beep. The door is now unlocked. Open the door. Move through the door. Examine outer space. The view from the bridge is the most impressive on the ship. Examine this button. This button controls the consoles on this side of the room. Examine the other button. This button controls the consoles on this side of the room. Use the button. Ship 5A, log 1701. The planet, designation Purple Behemoth, is home to crystalline mines. The crystals here contain bonded diatomic lithium sufficient enough for the Federation-class ship's energy cores. A forward observation post has been set up at one of the confirmed sites of a crystalline mine to observe any possible threats. Caution! Coordinates not found in main computer. Link to satellite has been lost. You absorb all this information and come to the realization that help is not coming. Maybe I can salvage something from the satellite, you think to yourself as you cling to what little optimism you have left. Use the other button. Ship 5A, log 2501. Ship status report. Life forms confirmed throughout all decks. Recent biological scans based on oxygen intake indicate 1.0 human life forms on board. 5A biology lab readings indicate corrupted fauna present. 5A biology lab readings indicate corrupted flora present. Overall ship corruption level? Very high. You begin to reluctantly make plans. It appears I have to remove the threat for good, but with an infection of this scale, I can't afford to have it come into contact with the Federation. I have to destroy the ship. Examine the center console. There's a panel here that can be moved. It must be hidden for security purposes. Open the hidden security panel. Examine the device. There's a crypto port here. Use the crypto device. What do you want to use this on? The port. The cryptographic interface device has no data that can be used here. Move back. Open the door. Move through the door. Examine the crowbar. A sturdy steel crowbar that could withstand a lot of force. Examine the gun. A single-use emergency flare gun. This model works even in the absence of oxygen. Examine the flammable tank. A small blowtorch used for repairs. It creates a small but steady flame. Take the crowbar. You take the crowbar. Take the flare gun. You take the flare gun. Take the blowtorch. You take the blowtorch. Move back. Move to the hallway. Examine this panel. The vent covering has been held in place with mutant plant vines. It can't be moved. Examine this object. A portable tank of compressed gas, not unlike ones used to fuel flamethrowers. Take the gas. You take the portable tank of compressed gas. Examine the door. The door is locked. Examine the keycard. The keycard scanner is labeled beta access only. Use duct tape. What do you want to use this on? The gas tank. You attach some duct tape to the portable tank of compressed gas. Use the blowtorch. What do you want to use this on? Self. You don't seem to know which way to point the tip. You pull the trigger and catch on fire. You try to put yourself out, but sadly, your attempt is in vain. Your adventure has unfortunately ended here. Use the blowtorch. What do you want to use this on? Tank with tape. You attach the gas tank to the blowtorch and create a makeshift flamethrower. Move back. Use the controls. The comm system is now emitting a 500 Hz sound. Use the controls. The comm system is now emitting a 1000 Hz sound. Use the controls. The comm system is now emitting a 1500 Hz sound. Use the recorder. What do you want to use this on? The box. You recorded a frequency 1500 Hz sound. Move back. Move through the hatch. Ignore the slime creature. Move to the bay. Move through this door. Use the flamethrower. What do you want to use this on? The horrible desiccated slime corpse. Examine the key. The ignition key for the last shuttle on the station, required for takeoff. Take the key. With the zombie pilot's body burned away, you take the shuttle ignition key. Take the oil filter. You take the oil filter. Take the lubricants. You take the bottle of lubricants. Take the blue bottle. You take the bottle of Chem B. Take the orange bottle. You take the bottle of Chem C. Use the crowbar. What do you want to use this on? This. Examine those 4 pixels. A keycard with access beta on it. Take the keycard. You take the keycard beta. Move out. Move out. Move down. Use Chem C. What do you want to use this on? The hatch. The chems have all been added. The mixture is ready. Now you must activate the machine. Use the button. Examine the machine. The screen is now on, and shows that the water supply will now be toxic. Examine the water supply. The chems have been added to the water supply. The water is now very deadly. Use the water? Nothing happened. For the best. Move up the ladder. Move back. No. Move back again. Move into the lab. Use the button. The chemical mixture in the water supply acts as a poison and quickly destroys the plants. Move back. Move back. Move back. Move back. Move to the restricted area. Move to the hallway. Use keycard B. What do you want to use this on? The slot. You hold the keycard to the scanner. It beeps and the door is now unlocked. Open the door. Move through the door. Examine the suits. This is the storage area for the exterior exploration suits. They're stored behind emergency force fields. Move to the suit. Examine the broken box. The force field control panel has been destroyed. You'll have to find another way to access suit storage. Use the button? What you were expecting hasn't happened. Move back. Move back. Open the vent. Move through the vent. Move through the vent. Keep moving through the vent. Move left. Move through the hatch. Move nowhere. Use this instead. Move back. Move back. Move through the hatch. Move through the hatch. Move through the hatch. Move through the... You'll have to find a way to keep this door open when the power is out. Move through the hatch. Move through the hatch. Move through the hatch. Move left. Move through the hatch. Use the switch. Move back. Move back. Move through the hatch. Through the hatch. Through the hatch. Use crowbar. What do you want to use this on? The door. You use the sturdy crowbar to jam the door open. Now when the power is shut off, the door will stay open. Move through the hatch. The hatch. The hatch. The hallway. The hatch. The switch. Back. Back. The hatch. The hatch. The hatch. The door. The suit. Take the suit. You take the exterior exploration suit and a pair of magnetic boots. Examine the spacesuit. An exterior expedition suit that's vital to surviving, venturing outside of the ship. Examine the mag boots. A pair of magnetic boots that are used to keep personnel attached to the exterior hull of the ship. Move back. Back. Hatch. 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 Left. Doorway. Use the switch. Use the spacesuit. What do you want to use this on? Self. You put on the exterior exploration suit. You can now safely travel outside. Use the carbon rock. What do you want to use this on? The button. When the door opened, you were sucked out of the ship and sent flying into deep space. Your adventure has unfortunately ended here.
Shoutouts to A Cardboard Box for sponsoring this video, and to everybody who helps make my channel possible by supporting me on Patreon.